water?
Nope, it's flour. Hey,
All right.
everyone, whoever. So we're gonna do our final shape. Granya's gonna help again. So all we need. So this time we're not using water. We're using some flour. So I have a little bowl of flour, the bench knives or something similar.
That's what they're called?
Yep. And let's set
something
the camera
new
up.
today.
We'll say goodbye to our faces, and you can look at some bread. Okay. Let's see if we can get the whole thing in there.
Oh, look at that. Can you see that?
Yep. Don't poke it.
Oh yeah, I just learned you're not supposed to pop the bubbles. I didn't pop the bubbles, by the way, but I wanted to. Don't pop the bubbles.
Flour in your basket.
Oh, sorry.
Now you're good. I'm doing one at a time. Flour a loaf of bread. Fairly heavy, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Cut it free, all the way down. Push it away. Push it away. Push it away. So now your loaf's free. If you got multiples, all the way underneath it. Gentle. Flip it over. All right. Get the top. Stretch it out. You have to decide how much stretch. You notice we're only going. See, we pulled it up, out, similar to the folds we do. Put it down, but we put it right here. We don't put it here. Because what happens if you fold it all the way over, then you're going to end up this tiny little thing that you're trying to roll. You can't do it. So lift it up, out, put it down. Now we do this side. This side. Okay, same thing. Everything's up here. We still have all this. Pick up this. Same thing. This goes to here. It doesn't go up here. And then pick up a side. Stretch it. Pick up a side. So now you got this little thing.
Looks like a bug.
No. And then little flour, a little bit of dusting on your hands. If it fell over, pick it up. Roll it in half. And that's it. Rolled in the flour into your basket. Now it's Granny's turn.
Oh gosh, pressure's on. So flour first, right?
Yep.
Is that about?
Yep. Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh.
That's fine. Leave it.
And then flour.
Flour afterwards. So
Oh.
you need your space to be clean.
Okay.
You're going to have a rolling space. So now once you get on it.
This is the part I always do wrong. And flip it over.
Yep, gently. There you go. Now, see, you didn't get enough flour on your edge, so you're going to be a little sticky, but that's fine.
Okay.
Alright.
So that way, right?
Yep, lift up, out.
So that's too much.
Little too far, but that's fine. Make up for it. Okay.
Oops.
So you need to stretch it up a little bit more and bring it over a little bit more. There you go. Okay. It's getting a little wide, so if I was here, pick that up a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
Get your bottom, just your bottom. Pick it up and out. There you go. Stretch it. Yep. So you can see, if you see the difference here now, she's got little small things. So then when it rolls, so we still have to do these sides.
Small.
It's small, which means then what you do is you kind of pull it out a little bit. So now you flour that. Get your hands and then roll it halfway. Pick it up. Yep. Taco it. Nope. And now continue over. And be careful at the top. So get your thumbs out of there. Don't stretch it with your thumbs. Okay. And now when you get to here, once you roll it over, then you just pick it back. So that puts a little bit of tension. I don't know if you can see that.
Your catch is on the back side. You can't
Yep.
see that. Okay. Try that again.
Okay. So flour your basket. Flour your loaf a little bit heavier so it doesn't stick as much. Cut it away. So you see that go all the way through and then push it away. And then pick it up and lay it down.
Okay, so pick it up.
A little bit more stretch. You need a little bit more tension. Don't go back, but each time. You have to feel how much stretch it's going to take without. Okay, so you had the same problem last time. You ended this one over here, and it needs to end over here. So a little bit further. A little bit quicker now, too.
Okay.
So you see, okay, so here's something that people tend to do. They go so slow that it starts falling apart in their hand, and you start ripping it. So then you end up with all these rips. Confidence.
Pull it back.
Yep.
All right. See, this shaping part is really hard. Basket, top, more than I did last time because
Yep, it's stuck. Try to, yep.
the edges, because I just got stuck last time. Okay. There's
You don't want any flour on this side to go into the dough. Right?
so this one. Okay, wait. When I pull this out, it wants to go here.
It wants to go here.
Here. Okay.
There you go. Do your side. Nice. Okay, now do just the bottom, not the sides.
Into here.
Yep, do right there. Pick it up and out. Feel how much you can stretch it. You can always hold it with the back of your hand.
And then this
Yep.
one to here.
Yep. Up and out.
Well,
You
my
have to-
hand was in the way. Okay, and
Your
then
hand's only there if it needs to be. Okay, so let's look at this one. Dissect. It's a little bit wide. It's kind of round. So these didn't get pulled in enough. Now, if you have something like this, all you can do is just give it a little bit more tension. So you see that? Now we're back to our baby swaddle. Now flour, fold it in half, and then gentle. So let's show the other side now. My thumbs are not pushing in. So you're just rounding over.
is it more like with your fingers that you're rolling it back?
Mostly your fingers, but also your palms hitting with this spot.
Boom.
All right, we're done. They're going to go into the fridge. You could either bake them fairly soon. These probably need a little bit more time to proof. But instead, we're going to go into the fridge overnight. And then we'll bake them in the morning. So they'll rise a little bit, proof a little bit at that cold temp. You could bake them now. They're a little underproofed and they'd be a little dense. You could wait an hour and they'd probably be good, but it's kind of late. So have a good night, and we'll see you for the baking in the morning. Thanks, Ronnie.
Bye. Shaping the part is the